All right, what's good, YouTube? So got a check engine light, man. So it ain't nothing bad. It's like I was saying in my previous video where I debadged my car. Probably need a new catalytic converter. Talking about efficiency is below threshold, bank 2, whatever that is. I'm already gonna get my secondary cache deleted, so shit, I might just go ahead and just remove the primaries too at that point. Because honestly, man, I'm not about to buy no new cats, bro. If I do buy some new cats, it's gonna be some high flow cats, you know what I'm saying? Some cats for power, you know what I'm saying? More airflow. But yeah, I'm not doing it. You know, as long as it wasn't nothing engine related or, you know, transmission, nothing like that, I'm cool. It's just some stupid ass catalytic converter error code. So check engine light is gonna be on because of the cats. So it is what it is, man. Car's still running fine. I always do my maintenance, always do my oil changes, shit like that. So I'm gonna leave it at that though. But other than that, I can give me some gas, man, too. You gotta give me some gas. Hopefully my GoPro not too low on battery either though. I did not charge it up last time I was using it. Is a nigga, oh, about to say, boy. Woo. Anywho, let's go get straight back to the POV video. Hey, we just cruising, just messing around, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I got some error codes on the dashboard again, man. You know, check engine light was gone, little purge valve, but now it's the freaking catalytic converters now. So it is what it is, man. At this point, I ain't even worried about it. Shit, because I ain't gonna lie, it did make me mad at first. I'm like, bro, are you serious? It's like nothing. It's like one thing after another. Everything be going cool, gravy, and there's always some that ruins it. You know what I'm saying? So as long as it's nothing bad. Cats, it probably is bad somewhat, but you can always remove cats, man. I'm gonna do my research on that code, but you know, if anybody knows anything about this code, P0430, let me know. And what can you do to get it fixed? I really don't want to take it to the mechanic again, because in my eyes, this don't feel like something extremely major to me. It don't. Just like I said, I was already getting my secondary cache deleted. During that time, I might just go ahead and delete my primaries too. I ain't gonna lie. Shit, just go fucking catless at that damn point. Safety inspection, I don't think it's due. I don't think my car is due for that as of yet, but I don't know, man. I'm not gonna worry about it. It is what it is, man. It is what it is. We still rolling. We still rolling. My airbag light is on because I gotta get a clock spring. That's what the dealership told me, because you know nobody else could diagnose it for me. They're like, oh, you might need a new airbag, or you know, I don't know. I'm gonna get it fixed though, bro. It's all gonna get fixed in due time. But yeah, it is what it is. She's still purring. She's still purring. Still purring like a little kitty. Like a little kitty. Oh man. I hope everybody doing good though, man. You know, it's hot outside. We had the little whole heat wave and everything else going on. But yeah, I'm too happy I debadged. I should have did that a long time ago, honestly. But you know, during that time I first got the car, I was like, yeah, you know what I'm saying? Let them know, bro, let them know. You know, I got the Genesis, the 4.6, you know what I'm saying? You know, people sleeping on these cars, bro, but it's all good. I ain't gonna wake them up no more. I'm gonna let them keep sleeping on them. Let them keep sleeping. I'm about to take, I kept the Genesis badges on just for those that haven't seen the video yet. Genesis badges are still on. Thing is, the Genesis 4.6 little badge on the top right corner is taken off, so those are off. You got a little SUV right here. Should I do it to him? He gonna turn. Oh, that's too bad. I've been just hanging in there, bro. Driving, trying to make my money right, get my money right. You know, shit, I'm doing pretty good though, man. I'm doing pretty good though. Can't complain, man. Try not to complain, you know what I'm saying? Of course, things could always be worse, and of course, things could always be better. But you know, I'm grateful for another day, man. Grateful. It's a blessing to be alive, man. So can't complain on that part, bro. I'm alive, man. Real spill. We got a little Nissan 370Z. I do not like these cars at all. I don't like them at all. Little fun. Let's see if we can still pull. I ain't did no pulls in a minute, man. I've been chilling. Let's see. My girlfriend was calling me. Slow ass 370Z. Yeah. Oh shit. That shit slow. Hey, but shout out to y'all 370Z boys. I know y'all be trying to do y'all thing, man. But y'all can't hang. I'm sorry, y'all cannot. Y'all cannot hang. Everybody driving extra slow. I gotta make sure, yeah, y'all still on. We see y'all still on. Making sure y'all got all the footage, man. Traffic, we about to get on the highway because the guy dodges traffic. Girlfriend was called. I'm gonna call her right back though. But you know, I gotta get my content for y'all, bro. Real spill, man. You know how we get down. I ain't had the cam on in a minute. You know, I've been trying to handle my business, been in grind mode, but you know, still gotta show my love and support for y'all, bro, and gotta be consistent, man. You know, it's the end of the day. Oh shit, let's get this truck out of here. I really want to race one of them those 3.3 liter V6 twin. I think it's twin turbo or just one turbo. The Genesis GV, and I mean not GV. What's it? What, G80, G90, or whatever those two is. I think it's G70. Yeah, I want to race one of those. The 3.3 turbo G80. It was one of them in my neighborhood, bro. He was we got like speed bumps in my neighborhood now because everybody always be speeding down the street. Not me, but you know, other people. Shoot. So yeah, we little speed bumps. You know, I was driving slow. You know, it was early in the morning. It was cold start, so you know, I got to cruise and let my car warm up. But long story short, he was just riding my bumper, bro. Riding my bumper. Then as soon as we get on the, you know, to merge on the highway and shit, he gonna, you know, cut me off. You know, basically cut me off because, you know, I'm driving too slow apparently. But yeah,